Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add multiple variants of your product in your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure you can do this yourself and you can do it without no problem. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Shopify.com website right here and log into your account where your store is. And after logging into your account guys, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the options in your Shopify store. You can manage your home, your orders, products, customers, and so on. So guys, in this main page right here, we want to go ahead and look at the left side of the screen right here. You can see home, orders, and so on. So guys, let's say that we have some product that we want to add multiple variants of. The first thing you have to do guys, go ahead and open up our products option right here. So guys, go ahead and click on products at the left side of the screen, and here you will be able to see all of the products that you have. If you do not have any product guys, just go ahead and click an add product option right here in this upper right corner. So guys, if you want to add multiple variants of some product, let's say this shirt product right here, all we have to do guys is just go ahead and click on it. After clicking on it guys, this will now open up this new page where we can manage and edit our product, such as our name, our description, picture, and so on. So guys, what we want to do is go ahead and scroll down all the way down until we find this option right here that says variants. So as you can see, you have options to add options like size or color and so on. So you can go ahead guys and click on that, and here you can add multiple sizes or colors, materials, and so on. So you can see here we can add maybe rubber, and after we have added the options guys, we can add even more options if we want, such as the size. Let's say we add a medium, and after that guys, if we are done, just click on done. As you can see, now we have added multiple variants where they can select which one they want to buy when selecting the product. So but yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.